Hello everyone. Good afternoon. How are you all?
Fine,
Are you
fine,
all doing
ma'am.
fine?
Fine, ma'am. I'm fine, ma'am. Fine,
Yes.
ma'am.
Very good. Very good. So today we'll have our yoga session which we missed yesterday, and today is even International Yoga Day, right? Is everyone aware about that?
Yes.
Yes. So कैन यू ऑल आप में से कोई मुझे सूर्य नमस्कार करके बता सकता है? कौन बताएगा? रेज हैंड पे क्लिक करना, रेज हैंड पे क्लिक करना।
What, ma'am?
सूर्य नमस्कार। यू डोंट नो? व्हाई आर यू विथ योर हैट? यू आर समवेयर आउट?
No, ma'am. I have just come out from out now only.
ओके, डज एनीवन नो सूर्य नमस्कार? नो वन? लीजा, यू नो?
What, ma'am?
ओके, so first we'll be doing surya namaskar. Okay, no problem if you all don't know. Okay, first we will be doing Surya Namaskar. Kindly, all of you stand up.
Ma'am, today is yoga.
All of you stand up for Surya Namaskar. Yes, why are you people asking me like that? Why didn't you read my message? Who asked me now today is yoga? Who asked? You didn't read my message? Ritika Challa, be on mute.
Ma'am, we will do both vegetable
No,
printing
we will
and
do only yoga
yoga.
today.
Okay.
Yes. I have already sent the messages. You didn't receive my message, kya?
I didn't check that messages.
Okay, so you have to check whenever I am sending you all messages, na. That is for you all to keep checking that. Okay, so we will be doing Surya Namaskar. Before that, before that, we will be doing Om first. So for Om, I want you all to sit down with your folded legs, to sit down with your folded legs, hands like this. You have to sit straight. Ritika, why are you not doing? Yes, hold your legs, hands like this. Yes, sit straight. Slowly rub your hands, place them on your eyes, and slowly open your eyes.
Teacher, your voice was low when you were doing.
What happened?
Your voice was low when you were doing.
Now are you able to hear me?
When you are far, we can't hear you.
I am now also far. Can you hear me now?
Yes, little bit I can hear.
Okay. So
Yeah.
check your connection.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I
First
can
we'll be
hear.
doing Surya Namaskar. First we will be doing Surya Namaskar. Huh? Stand up everyone. I will be
Okay, ma'am.
showing you like this so that you will be able to understand the steps. Okay? Join your hands. Stand straight. Everyone, join your hands. Stand straight. Yes. Press behind. Now, bend down. Bend down. Bend down. Now, your right knee ahead, left knee behind, and place it like this and see up. Hands on the ground. Yes. Now, both the legs behind. Okay. You have to keep only your hip portion up, rest all portion down. Now, stretch your body from the chest up, rest all down. Now, you have to stretch your body like a mountain. Again, your left knee ahead, right knee behind. Yeah. Again, bend down, stretch behind, join your hands. So these are the steps of Surya Namaskar. These are the steps of Surya Namaskar. Have
Okay,
you all
ma'am.
understood? Yes. Have you all understood the steps?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
we will repeat Surya Namaskar
Ma'am,
again.
can you do it once again?
We will repeat Surya Namaskar once again. Okay? Join your hands. Stretch behind. Bend down. Right knee ahead, left knee behind. See up. Only hip portion should be up. Stretch ahead from your chest. Like a mountain. Left knee ahead, right knee behind. Bend down. Stretch behind. And Namaskar position again. Okay. ओके किस किस को याद है सूर्य नमस्कार किसी को याद है
No, ma'am. No,
Okay.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
आपको
ma'am.
याद है?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Function,
show
I
me?
know.
Can you show me, Sanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start. Very
Thank
good,
you, ma'am.
very good, very good. और किसको आता है? और किसको आता है? Who else is
Ma'am,
knowing?
Samniti
Yes.
Santosh Patil certainly told I I know.
कौन बोल रहा है?
Ma'am, I know, ma'am.
Show me. Show it to me.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, very good.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I also
So
know. Ma'am,
now
then I know.
किसको आता है और?
Ma'am, Lisa Dussan.
Yes, Lisa,
Ma'am,
show
I
me.
know.
Lisa, what are you doing? This is not Surya Namaskar. Show me from step 1. Lisa,
Ma'am.
who else is knowing?
Ma'am, me, Prisha.
Yes, Prisha, show.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, I know.
Okay, I suppose बहुत सारे लोगों को समझा नहीं है. We will repeat one time again Surya Namaskar. I will also show it to you. Then we will do some
Ma'am.
different asanas. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Stand up, everyone. Join your hands. Stretch behind. Bend down. Right knee ahead, left knee behind. Hands on the ground. Incline position. Hip down. Only hip portion should be up. Stretch from the chest. Again, left leg ahead, right leg behind. Mountain position. Bend down. Stretch behind. Then join your hand. Okay. So these are the 12 steps of Surya Namaskar. These are the 12 steps of Surya
Okay,
Namaskar.
ma'am.
Yes. Now, lay down everyone. Lay down. Lay down to your back. And आपका सर नीचे रखना है. आपका चेस्ट से लेके पैर तक का पोर्शन उठाना है. Okay, how I will show it to you.
मैम ये मुझे आता है, मैं करके दिखाऊं?
एक मिनट. Yes. पहले तो आप ऐसे लेट जाओ. Then ये पोर्शन पहले उठाओ. And lift your body now. Understood? All of you understood?
नो मैम. मैम मैं आपको करके दिखाऊं?
एक मिनट. हाँ, आप मुझे करके दिखा सकते हो. See, you have to lay down first. Down. Okay. Leg ऐसा रहना चाहिए. Then lift your this part up. Hands down. Like this.
ओके मैम. ओके मैम.
Do it.
ओके मैम.
Everyone do it.
मैम कैन यू सी माइन? ओके मैम.
Yes. Yes. Samruddhi, very good.
थैंक यू मैम. मैम.
ओके. ये आसन को हम लोग बोलते हैं
मैम मुझे आता है.
सेतु बधासन. ये आसन को हम बोलते हैं सेतु बधासन.
मैम कैन यू सी माइन?
No, I can't. Show me again. बच्चा, place your camera properly, Prisha.
I'm free now.
Yes. Yes. Very good.
थैंक यू मैम.
Lisha, show me. Lisa. Sanvi. Pavit.
यस
Show me
मैम.
everyone. Show me. No, सूर्य नमस्कार नहीं बेटा सानवी. अभी हमने किया ना जो आसन, उसको बोलते हैं सेतु बदासन, सेतु बंधनासन. ओके. सी, यू हैव टू फर्स्ट ले डाउन ऑन टू योर बैक. आपका जो ये पोर्शन है ये ऐसे रखना है. हाँ. Then you have to just lift your body. Don't lift your head up. Okay. Got it everyone? Yes, very good. Now turn on to your back. ये अभी हमने सूर्य नमस्कार में भी किया ये आसन. Okay, like this. Your legs behind. I will show you diagonally. Your legs behind and like this. Okay. This is Bhujangasana. This is Bhujangasana.
I know, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now again, ये वाला जो है ना.
Ma'am, I can't see because the network issue. Can you show me the asana again?
Yes, like this. This is Bhujangasana. And there is one more time of doing. You have to just lift your legs like this.
Ma'am, can I show?
Okay. Now, just place your fingers tight. हाँ, हमें ऐसे बैठना है, उल्टे पैर करके बैठना है. Place your fingers tight, your fist like this. हाँ, place it on your tummy. Place it on your tummy like this. And your feet like this. Sit. Go down. Complete. Your head should be on the ground. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now same. अभी ये भी सूर्य नमस्कार में किया था. Stretch your legs, your hand,
Ma'am.
your face down. This is Parvatasana. This is Parvatasana.
Ma'am, I can't understand the asana which you did now just before.
Why? Why? Are you all able to see me properly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. I can see you.
Yes.
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
you did not understand?
Ma'am, ma'am, it was just to, ma'am, because it was just that way to do in that asana.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, again, first do this. Okay. First do this. Are you all able to see me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. First do like this. Then bring your body down. Slowly bring your legs up and hold your legs. And then stretch your body. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Dhanurasana. This is Dhanurasana.
Ma'am, which
Okay?
asana? Dhanurasana.
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 Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now stand like this. One leg like this. Another, both the hands join up. Yes. Try to hold it. This is Vrikshasana. This is Vrikshasana. Again with your opposite
Ma'am,
leg,
I
you
can
can
do
try
this.
like this with your left leg. This is Vrikshasana. This is Vrikshasana. Okay. Take a 2-minute water break, everyone. Take a 2-minute water break, everyone.
Ma'am?
We will be doing vegetable printing along with tomorrow's activity tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. I want to show
Okay,
you
ma'am.
my pastel art. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I
Kindly take a
show you?
water break. Water break for 2 minutes. Sit and drink water, everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I show you my drawing?
Kindly wait.
Ma'am? Ma'am, there is lot of network issue. That's why I can't see that asana also.
No problem. Are you all able to see me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
now again to the start. See, this leg on the toes. This leg on the toes. Keep it like this. On the toes. Yes. This leg, you should keep all your. Okay. Try to balance. Try to balance.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now, one like this. Both the hands like this. One hand hand here.
Yes,
Right
ma'am,
hand.
I can do that.
Yes. And another hand like this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell again?
See, first, your this part should be on the toes like this. Huh? You have to sit like that. Okay, now another leg. Another leg. Your another leg should come on your this leg. Okay? On
Yes,
your
ma'am.
that toes leg. Then like this and like this. And see this hand.
Thank you, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am, I understood. Sanu Shanai. Ma'am, I also understood. Litika. I also understood. Ma'am, I also understood. I also understood.
Yes. That is Mudrasana. Okay?
I
Now
understood.
both your legs, this part ahead. Okay, when you are sitting with your folded legs, both the legs that part ahead. Okay, and your hand like this.
Ma'am, show me how you kept your legs.
Just a second. Like this. Okay, and then hands like this.
Ma'am, I can't see your legs. Ma'am, I can't see your legs, ma'am. Ma'am, I also can't see your legs. Hmm. Hello, hello.
Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Your
Okay.
okay, your legs should be
Okay. Ma'am, but I can see your legs. But I can. Now I can see.
okay, and your hands like this. Yes. Can anyone say me what was this pose? Can anyone say me what was this pose? Folded like that.
I don't know, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, namaste pause.
Didn't you find this pose was like a snake?
Namaste pause.
This was Sarpasan. Like this, your hands should be.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, boy.
Okay. Yes. Can any one of you show me any one of the asanas which we have did now?
I I can
Ma'am,
show
can
the
I?
sarva
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I?
Ek minute. Just a
Surya
second. You should raise hand. Santosh Patil. Santosh Patil.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Prisha.
Yes, ma'am. Can I show two hands?
हाँ, ये करते हुए ना अपना मुंह भी ऐसे पीछे की तरफ ही स्ट्रेच करो.
Okay, ma'am.
वेरी गुड. पवित.
Yes, ma'am.
वेरी गुड. पर्वतासन. सॉरी, वृक्षासन. सॉरी. लिपिका. लिपिका. वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड.
Thank you, ma'am.
वेदांत.
Yes, ma'am.
वेदांत, आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी यू प्रॉपरली.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड. मुद्रासना. सानवी.
Yes,
सानवी.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
वेरी गुड.
Thank you, ma'am.
लीजा.
Yes, ma'am.
Lisa, only your legs are seen, bacha. I can't see you properly.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Who is Mamta Patil?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Your name?
Anvita Patil, ma'am.
Huh. Show it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. So this means you have understood whatever I have taught you. Okay?
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we will do once again Surya Namaskar. Okay? 5 times continuous we will do Surya Namaskar. Okay? 5 times continuous we will do Surya Namaskar now. Stand up everyone in position. Namaskar position. Stretch behind. Bend down. Right knee ahead, left knee behind. See up. Inclined position. Now only your hip position should be up. Chest position should be up. Stretch. Mountain pose. Left knee ahead. Right knee behind. Again bend down. Stretch behind. Namaskar position. Okay? Again we will start. Namaskar
Okay,
position.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Stretch behind. Bend down. Right knee ahead, left knee behind. Inclined position. Only hip position should be up. From the chest, your position should be up. Stretch. Mountain pose. Left knee ahead, right knee behind. Bend down. Stretch behind. Namaskar position. Okay? Again. Namaskar position. Stretch behind. Bend down. Right knee ahead, left knee behind. Inclined position. Only hip position should be up. Stretch. Chest position should be up. Mountain pose. Left knee ahead, right knee behind. Bend down. Stretch behind. Namaskar position. Yes. Now you all show me. I'm going to sit and see. 2 times you all will show me. Come on. First step, Namaskar position. Stretch behind. Bend down. Right knee ahead, left knee behind. Inclined position. Yes. Now hip
Excuse me,
position
ma'am.
should be up. Only hip position should be up.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait, Lisa, wait. Yes, stretch, chest position should be up.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mountain pose. Left knee ahead, right knee behind.
मैम हमने अभी सूर्य नमस्कार दिखाना है.
Bend down. Stretch behind. नमस्कार position. लीजा, हमने अभी 3 बार सूर्य नमस्कार किया. ये 4th टाइम है. आप कहाँ थे? Come on, do it. Okay, one last time. Do it, everyone. Come on. Yes, namaskar position. Stretch behind. Bend down. Right knee ahead, left knee behind. Inclined position. Hip position should be up. Yes, from your chest you can stretch your body. Mountain pose. Left knee ahead, right knee behind. Bend down. Bend down. Sanvi, bend down. Stand up first. Bend down. Bend down. Bend. More. Ah. Now stretch behind. Stretch behind. Stretch behind. Yes. Now namaskar position. Very good. Very good. Okay, everyone. So here we end our day for today. Okay?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Tomorrow we should wear costumes also, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
I want you all to see in very nice costumes and very nice acting. Okay, you have to do any of the spiritual and mythological character. Okay, Ram, Sita, Shabri, Meera,
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Krishna
ma'am.
Bhagwan, Radha, Arjuna, Hanumanji,
Okay,
Shankar
ma'am.
Bhagwan, Parvati, any of them.
What we should do, ma'am? Ma'am,
Acting.
drawing.
आपको उनके जैसा ही कुछ तो बोलना है.
Excuse me, ma'am. Today is acting class. Tomorrow.
Yes, बच्चा, acting and vegetable printing.
Can you tell one more time?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
कौन
Okay,
पेंटिंग
ma'am.
दिखा रहा है? कौन पेंटिंग दिखा रहा है?
Samruddhi Patil.
Very good, Samruddhi. Very nice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can I show you difficult asan?
Can you show me what?
Ma'am, one asan.
हाँ, show. आपका कैमरा है ना, स्लीपिंग में पोज करो ना तो मुझे पूरा दिखेगा आपका पोज. चलो. हाँ. Very good. So flexible your body is. Very good.
Ma'am. Mama, impossible का मतलब printing.
हाँ.
Ma'am, impossible का vegetable printing.
Possible कौन बोला?
Impossible का मतलब
Ma'am, which acting we should do, ma'am?
Ma'am, it's very possible.
Possible नहीं बोला मैंने, flexible बोला, flexible.
Flexible, but. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, which acting we should do tomorrow, ma'am? Ma'am, which acting we have to do tomorrow?
I have already mentioned in the message. Can you all please read the message, and if any doubt is there, then you all can ask me.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes,
Ma'am, what is vegetable printing?
tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Acting and vegetable printing is tomorrow.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am, but I am asking, what is vegetable printing?
That you will come to know tomorrow.
Okay,
That's
ma'am.
what I am saying. Yes. Okay, everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Tomorrow. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.